Hello friends, amici, prieten from everywhere. Sunday morning, breakfast time. We are making bruschetta or toasted bread in the oven on the broil. You go the high and broil and put the bread slices. We have this beautiful bread here. Nice. You can use whatever bread you want, like this one. Have a large slices like this, and we are cutting few slices like this one. It's a gigantic slice. Ooh. We're gonna have 4 of these. We're cutting nice slices of bread. You can use a French baguette for smaller size, but we are splitting this. Okay, we got our bread. This is too big. We are brushing on them some nice olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. We'll do it like this. I'm gonna put here and brush some olive oil on top. Nice, because when we are toasting this, we're gonna burn a little bit the oil. I'm gonna do a nice color and flavor. And they calling this bruschetta, you know, toasted, oven toasted bread. You can use butter if you like, instead of olive oil, but I think the olive oil I like more because it's lighter. Like this. You see? Beautiful. We go on the oven on high, on broiling, and toast them. You watch very close and stay there, don't leave the oven. And once they are colored, they take a good color, they are ready. Okay, I'm gonna show you. We are doing our bruschettas, the toasted bread, 4 ways. Got lots of ingredients over here. Spinach, avocado, olives, mozzarella, we got lots. And poached egg. I'm gonna poach an egg because it's breakfast. I put some water to boil here. I'm gonna use some vinegar into the water, like a teaspoon of vinegar, a fresh egg, and I'm gonna show you with this double mash, because the egg has some the yolk, the white, and some water. We got to get rid of that water. It's just a little bit, not too much. You see, like this. And now the water, it's in there. We're gonna use our like this and form and round, you know, I don't know how to call that, but move the water in one way and then put the egg inside like this. Don't be afraid. And now our egg will gonna cook. Okay, we got 3 minutes, and our egg it's ready. Now we're gonna put here in the cold water. I'm gonna stay for a while, stop cooking, The bread is ready. It's toasted, nice color coming out with the bread. We start to build our bruschettas. The bread is ready. I toasted a little bit on the other side too. This is the color. Stay close to the oven, don't leave because it's burning very fast. You see? Nice. It's toasted, beautiful. Now we're gonna build our bruschettas. I prepared here some fresh garlic. We are using some fresh garlic like this on top of each one because garlic is nice, refreshing. If you don't like, don't use it, but I like a lot. Garlic, fresh garlic, toasted bread and olive oil. You don't need anything more than that. Now we're gonna put some olive oil, just a little bit fresh, just like this, a little bit, a drizzle. Good. Now we're gonna build different with different ingredients. I got here some spinach that I just cooked very fast before. I'm gonna put some nice spinach on the first one, just like this. Spinach on this one. I got here some feta cheese. Spinach and feta cheese is good. I'm gonna put some feta cheese on top, just a little bit, not too much, just like that. Our poached egg. We're gonna go here in top. This is the one, it's not ready yet, this one, okay? Now we're gonna go on the second one with mozzarella. Mozzarella, fresh mozzarella. This, I got it from the store. It's fresh. Cut some pieces like this. Fresh mozzarella. And build, oh, go there. And build our bruschetta called alla caprese. You see, just like that. Let's see how it tastes. La caprese also good with tomatoes. Go with tomatoes all over the place, just like this. Tomatoes are great with mozzarella. Just like that. Another bit of olive oil. I got here some Parmigiano, grated Parmigiano. I put this in top a little bit. Let's go here on the egg too. You see, beautiful. There are no rules. Bruschetta caprese. It's mozzarella, tomatoes, olive oil, and basil. Fresh basil. We got here some fresh basil. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Just like this. Break it like this. Lots. Because it's nice. This is the second one. Now we are going to the third one with avocado. We got some avocado, fresh avocado here. Put some lemon on it, but it's good. Avocado is healthy, is good. Put lots of avocados because it's great. You see, avocado pieces, slices, whatever you like. We should use our hands. Avocados, good. And feta cheese. Avocado, feta cheese again. This is a nice feta cheese, Greek feta cheese. Go with feta cheese because it's good. Beautiful. Oh, and olives. We got Kalamata olives from Greece. Beautiful flavor. You see? It's going crazy here. Pieces everywhere. Just like this. Go. And now on this one I'm using some Parmesan all the time. Parmigiano. That's it. This is our bruschetta with avocado, with feta cheese and Kalamata olives. Now the last one, it's with salami, mortadella and sopressata, Italian salamis. We are going with a bit of oil, just like this, a little bit. We're putting our mortadella, you see, they are very thin. Mortadella on top. Mortadella, just like this. And sopressata is like this, you see? These nice salamis. Just build like this. Don't be afraid. I think it's enough. What do you think about our bruschettas here? Ooh, get some spinach. All right. And now, to finish this, I'm gonna build a surprise cheesy sauce and put on top of these bruschettas, and then we're gonna taste them. To make our cheesy sauce, we have like heavy whipping cream. Start the fire on medium. We're gonna start with cream cheese and Parmesan. Not cream cheese. the whole whipping cream. We're gonna start this. Where is my stuff? It's right here. Okay. My spoon. We got some Parmigiano. We're gonna reduce our heavy whipping cream. Reduce. Give it some texture, some thickness. Then we're gonna put here on our bruschettas. I'm gonna add my feta cheese. This feta cheese. Melting a little bit. Melting the feta cheese. Now you see our feta cheese is melted. It's starting to be thicker. Now we add our Parmigiano right here. All of these and mix. And we are mixing. The flavor, it's formidable. Like the French people say. Formidable. And this is the moment here on the egg. We're gonna do this. Ooh, our cheese. Lots of it. This sauce. You see, it's beautiful. And on this one, it's incredible. I'm gonna use lots of this cream. That's it. And these are our bruschettas. the spinach and poached eggs with cream cheese on top. This one has avocado, feta cheese, and Kalamata olives. This one it's Mortadella and Sopressata salami, and bruschetta alla caprese with fresh mozzarella, tomatoes, and fresh basil. What do you think about this? Now I think we're gonna taste and gonna see this one with the poached egg. I'm gonna taste it and see what happened. Let me put it here, because this way you can see it better. Okay, I think you can see me. They do this. Wow, yes. You see the egg, the runny egg, and the cheese. Yes, beautiful. I think I'm gonna eat it, taste it for you. Have a nice breakfast on Sunday morning, or any morning you can do it. Use your fantasy and build these bruschettas with any ingredients you like. I like this. Let me put some nice oil on top, because I like oil like this. Let's taste it. Ooh, you see the egg here? Looks wonderful. Let's eat it. It's delicious. Delicious. Ciao ciao and buon appetito.